Product photos can make or break your brand. Most small business owners don't have fancy cameras, perfect lighting, or a photo studio. So what do? You use AI. In this video, I'll show you how to create clean, professional product images using just your phone or computer and a few powerful and free AI tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Start with a clear base photo. First, take a simple photo of your product, ideally against a plain background with good daylight. Nothing fancy. The cleaner your original photo, the better the results later. Step 2. Use Flair.ai for lifestyle mockups. Next, upload that image into Flair.ai. It lets you generate lifestyle mockups, like your product sitting on a kitchen counter, a shelf, or even styled in a cozy cafe. No studio, no props, just drag, drop, and choose the vibe you want. You can try multiple versions and pick the most realistic one. Step 3. Try Clade.ai or Pebbly for e-commerce-ready shots. Want clean catalog-style shots? Clade.ai and Pebbly are great for generating e-commerce-ready images with clean backgrounds, natural shadows, and perfect lighting. These are ideal for online stores, listings, or even printed brochures. Step 4. Polish the final look with PhotoRoom or Pixel Cut. Now, if you want to switch backgrounds, remove blemishes, or add realistic reflections, try PhotoRoom or Pixel Cut. These tools give you studio-quality polish, and they work right from your phone. Upload, adjust, download, that's it. Your product photos don't just show what you sell, they show who you are. With just a few AI tools and a little creativity, you can make your brand look polished, without spending thousands. So whether you're selling skincare, jewelry, or digital goods, remember, you don't need a studio, just smart tools. See you next time.